F26 here, just a tips and fairs and hobbies, and got a few models coming out on my Maker World page. They're in the process, and the first one is alive. Is this one? Open it up for you. It's alive, and the next one is Monster Rage. Another one coming up. There's Monster Rage, and the next one coming up is Alien Beginning. It's Alien Beginning, and I hope to bring these to my page. In my description of my videos, you'll find my page in there. It'll say My Maker World or Peacemaker World, and you'll find it there. So make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and hype the video. We'll see you the next time. Bye for now.